I'll give you that engine failure a little sooner. Just because I don't feel like hitting a fence. To be perfectly honest with you. Alright, feel how you're sliding in your seat? Kinda. It's because we're out of trim. Go give me a little left pedal. Helicopter 1 Romeo Juliet. It's right downwind taxiway Delta.
$770 knots.
Good. Alright, we'll extend out. Alright, now go ahead and turn in. Alright. This is going to be it. It's going to be a beautiful one. I have a feeling. Alright, so progressive flare. Slowly raise that nose up over the course of 40 feet, not a quick stop. Alright, warning lights, engine rotor, green, 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 fuels, full and full, curb beats full. Stimulated engine failure. Nice, about that airspeed, altitude, good. Watch that RPM.
Up fast.
Yeah. Don't forget that pitch check.
Alright, rotor, airspeed, trim and landing, rotor, airspeed, trim and landing.
So we're going to be leaving
rotor, airspeed, trim and landing, getting close to flare.
Now, start raising that nose just a little bit. Build, 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 build.
Safer traffic.
Awesome.
172 Tango Golf, steering crossman, runway.
Okay.
How was that?
That was way better.
Way better. It's that build, 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 build,
Okay.
build. You're
Okay.
good. All right, go bring me back.
All right.